Rivona is a small village located in Sangem Taluka of Goa. It might be a small village, but it gets its potential from the environmental beauty. Plenty of areca palm farms surround the village with some small paddy cultivation, cashew plantation, sugarcane cropping and jackfruit trees as well. Sangem Taluka is well known for most of the heritage protected sites and Rivona is one amongst them. It is well known for many natural springs and its verdant beauty. Refreshing springs are the cause of attraction of tourists who come around to chill in cool water, splending in the arms of nature. But at the same time, caves are the most attractive site. Rivona, which is known for cradle of Indian civilization of early period, where we find these caves. Basically, two caves are said to be existing in Rivona village. Firstly, after entering the village, to the left we will find a caves located at the upside of small hill where a Partagali mud is based. A blend of Hindu mythology of 16th century is witnessed with an antique idol of Lord Hanuman being displayed at the spot. This idol signifies the art of traditional stone carving in ancient period. Villagers worship the idols and perform Hindu rituals there. The caves are naturally carved with external springs occurring underneath. The main attraction of the village are the Buddhist caves or the Pandava caves. It is said that these caves were carved by Buddhist monks who came here for the meditation purpose. Rivona, whose ancient name was Rishivan, the forest of sages, number of monks and hermits chose the place for meditation and penance. It is said that Gautam Buddha's earliest disciples meditated inside the Rivona caves, so it is mainly known as Buddhist caves. The existence of pith carved in the middle of cave prove it. Pith is a place or seat made for a teacher to sit, while some also say and believe that Pandavas came and stayed here during their Vanvas. So some also name them as Pandava caves. Covering the cave site, we also managed to find a cool place where river Kushavati flows along the site where rock carvings are based. Rock carving or rock garden, yet another small tourist place in Usgali Mall in Rivona. These carvings are believed to be carved 8,000 to 10,000 years ago. The rocks are carved with renderings of animals which are visible clearly in rainy season. We were able to capture only one beautiful carving which we have presented in this video. Surely, we decided to visit the place again to come up with more and clear about the rock garden. Hopefully, we'll bring this before you in upcoming time. Till then, enjoy and share this video. Write us to give your feedback, and yes, Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.